Hello guys. Again, we are going to see some concept of generative AI. So let's just start. Generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI is like it's an AI, and what's an AI? AI is like uh, the who thinks a little like a human, who thinks little like a human, and that is AI. But what is generative AI? Generative AI means, from the name you can understand that create new things or create something new. So it's a generative AI. So generative AI means that can create new content like text, images, audio, code, etc. It learns patterns from the data and then generates similar content. Okay, like it is trained on trillions or billions of the data. When you ask to create the text or images or videos, then it can easily create. Why? Because it know that how the things how the images looks like. Okay, so that's why it is able to create. So what is the difference between MLDL, AI and generative AI? AI means AI machine that can think or act smartly. AI is what? Any machine that can think or act smartly. ML, machine learns pattern from data. DL uses a neural network with many layers. Generative AI, special DL models that create new things. Important GenAI terms, we have LLM, large language model like ChatGPT. It predicts next word. Okay, it predicts the next word. And we have a embedding, means convert text into number. So model can understand meaning. Okay, embedding means what? It converts basically text into number that can model understand easily, because we already know machine only understand or model only understand numbers, not text. Okay, so token is what? Token is it is like small pieces of text which model reads. Okay, when you are writing anything, then it is converted into pieces and we call it tokens. Okay, so what is prompt here? Prompt here is like the instruction, the text you provide, you give to the LLMs, and that is that is what? That is a prompt. What is prompt? The text you give to LLMs, that is prompt. So the instruction you give to the model. And how GenAI works: you give a prompt, model read it, in tokens, model find patterns from training, model predict the next best token, repeat until full output. It try to give you the best output, and if you want the best output, then you have to use the best prompt engineering for that. Okay, we have some kind of a prompt engineering like zero shot, and also a chain of thoughts. Okay, so you have to use uh, best prompt for that if you want a good output. And we have a RAG, means retrieval augmented generation. you know AI can't see your private data or something. Okay, so that's why AI has a functionality. AI has a concept one. Which concept? RAG. And RAG uses your personal data to read your file and documents, and it understand your data. It reads, and it is very safe and trustworthy. RAG is safe and correct and trustworthy. It gives the answer from your own document. That's why it is trustworthy. Okay, it uses your own data. And convert document, so helps model give accurate answer. Stable convert document. Embedding, store in vector database. User question. Embedding, retrieve similar docs. LLM generate new. LLM generate the answer using them. Fine tuning, what? Fine tuning means training model on your custom data, so it behaves like you want. Means Fine tuning means trained in such a way that your model start to perform well, very well. Okay, so this is the fine tuning. Vector database, what? Vector database is we have an example like face, chroma, db, pine, cone. What is that? What is a vector database? So database that store embeddings and find similar vectors, like convert text into numbers. So for that we have a vector database which stores meaning of text into numbers. And prompt engineering, write better prompt, get better output, as I already told you. And be clear, give example, set style or tone, use step by step instruction. What is agent? Agent uh, agent is that AI uh, which which has some kind of a power, like it take decision or takes also action, and it can provide some tool. It basically takes their own action. It knows when to use what, when to not use what. So this is agent are a program that can take action using tools like search, calculators, search, like searching. Okay, it search, calculator, code runner. And this is agent. And what is the framework here? We have a open AI. You can learn a GenAI, like we can learn GenAI using LangChain, using Llama, Index, and Hugging Face, OpenAI. So right now I am learning with the Hugging Face and also with the OpenAI. Hugging Face is free, that's why. Like we are students, so we should use Hugging Face because it's free. Okay, and OpenAI I have also used, but my token, you know, I am not spending money in the OpenAI for tokens, so that's why I'm not using this. I'm using Hugging Face models. So okay, let's understand architecture. Architecture is what? Architecture like transformer, the brain behind all modern LLMs, the brain behind all modern LLMs. And LLM, like it's a brain. If you don't have a oh sorry, transformer, sorry. So transformer is what? The brain behind all modern LLMs. Okay, so like humans have a brain. If you don't have a brain, then you can't do anything. Okay, you can't take action, you can't do any action, you can't take a decision. Okay, so transformer is very important, like brain is very important for us. So transformer, the brain behind all modern LLMs, like ChatGPT. So ChatGPT have a brain which is transformer. Okay, so encoder, what? Understand input. Encoder, in means input. Okay, so encoder means understand input. Encoder understand input. Decoder generate output. And encoder decoder used in translation. Encoder decoder basically used in translation. Okay, I think it is present in ChatGPT. When you are asking something, then it translates. So when we are writing, then uh, it understand input, and then it generate, which is decoder. It decode, and when you give input, it understand, then it use encoder. When it gives the output, then it generate output. So if you combine both, encoder, decoder, so it is used in translation. I think this is how things happen in the encoder decoder. And what is diffusion model? Diffusion model basically they remove noise step by step when we are going to create any image by writing text. Okay, based on text or prompt. Okay, they basically remove noise step by step and recreate an image based on text based on text prompt. And what is like evolution evolution of GenAI? So accuracy, hallucination check, relevance, coherence. Okay, these are the evolution. Like in the machine learning, we have a accuracy, R2 score. Okay, so here we have also accuracy, hallucination check, relevance, coherence. Okay, what is Gen AI? If someone is asking then how I can answer, we have already discussed everything. We have already discussed everything in this video, so we will understand. We have already understand, so we can answer easily. What are the project idea here? Chatbot using RAG. I have already built this application. PDF question answer system already built. Image generating using SDXL already. I have done this project. Voice to text. I didn't make this application. Fine tuned LLM on support data. So the last two models I didn't try it, and in the future I will try it. And how to prepare for interview, learn basic, read about transformers, practice RAG, build 2-3 project, understand embedding, learn prompt engineering. Okay, so this is how actually we can learn Gen AI. Thank you.